everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see save reels in our on Instagram tutorial. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps, and in here you just click on your profile icon at the bottom. Click on it in here, and after this in here you just click on the three lights icon at the top, and in here you can click on the save, and now you can click on the all post, and then at the top you can click on a reels icon at the top and finish. In here you can see the reel has the save reel on your Instagram account. Now, I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.